They're trousers that look elevated, but they feel like sweatpants. Let me put you on to my new favorite pant. I have two different styles here. I want them in every single color. First style of trouser pant that I bought in a classic black, of course. It is a pull-on trouser pant, elastic in the back. This is a 28-inch inseam. I can wear this with sneakers, sandals, flats. It's kind of like this waffle material. I'm obsessed with like the pleating because I feel like it makes it look elevated. This is what the back looks like. You can wear these pants from the airport to the office. I grabbed it in the taupe color too. Fitted white tee, a denim jacket, and some sneakers. But wait, I found these trouser pants that have the same waffle material pleating down the front and the pockets, but this one actually has a faux button, faux pockets in the back. This one actually comes in different lengths. I'm wearing this in a 28-inch inseam. Same perfect trouser looking pant that feels like you're wearing a sweatpant. And of course I had to grab that style in a gray color too. I'm dressing it up a little bit, just like this white tee and an oversized cardigan, and then a heeled bootie. I probably could have gone with a 30-inch inseam for a little bit more length, but I just want to give you the vibe of it dressed up.